Hello, Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com. They represent 802 Toyota, Twin Cities Subaru, and 802 Honda. They're all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. Well, we have an anticyclonic flow. This is a very large ridge of higher pressure, kind of a flat ridge, and it's moving in a lot of moisture, as you can see this upstream. To the north, where temperatures are colder, we got snow, but this is kind of a break in the action. We're on sort of warm frontal genesis that takes place currently right here, and this is going to lift a little bit further to the north over time, and we're getting a lull. And far northern areas most plagued with a little bit of snow shower and flurry activity. Then we'll see some moisture start to creep in. It'll affect extreme southern parts of Vermont for a time with just a little bit of flurry activity. Then a break in the action as temperatures warm up. But we're looking at this segment here beginning to spread northward, and this is going to affect our neck of the woods. It will not affect utilities, so impacts are not expected to affect utilities, but this definitely will be a travel issue with dicey travel expected to develop from southwest to northeast late today and through the evening hours, and then everything transitioning basically to rain. So this is valid a little earlier this morning at around 8 o'clock, and this is 9 o'clock, that's 10, 11, noon. So note, we don't have a whole lot going on, just some flurry action kind of hanging across the far northern tier regions, and then continuing to track that. A little more of a spread into Lamoille County, northern Washington County for a time before things start to go dicey and icy. And you can see that precipitation with the purple here, some sleet, some freezing rain. I think most of this is going to be in the form of freezing rain as warmer air intrudes aloft and changes any snowflakes to raindrops. So this is valid about 01Z. That's about 8 o'clock this evening. That's 9, 10, 11, and finally midnight. And you can see that any of the purples are pretty much out of the region. We're looking at just some rain shower activity. Some of that rain shower activity becomes moderate along this frontal boundary. And you can see the progression here where we're just going to have moderate to heavier rain. Now on the back end, we're going to have some wet snow, and that changes over maybe as much as 1 to 3 inches of accumulation as we get into the later part of the afternoon tomorrow. Before, some winds whisk everything out. We begin to dry out. We turn a lot colder, and some leftover snow shower and flurry activities, mostly along our local mountains. Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights, thanks for watching.